Tonight, we're getting a better understanding why a former Raleigh police officer is no longer with the department. WRAL Investigates has been digging into Kyle Epps' past after dozens of cases connected to him were dropped. The new findings of an internal investigation allege Epps conducted unlawful searches on both drivers and passengers that were against police rules. Now another case could be dismissed. WRAL's Carly Haynes spending the day looking through the motion, joining us now live. Carly, it included examples of these searches.
And last month, we were the first ones to tell you that Epps was no longer with the department after this internal investigation. Well, today we were looking through a new court filing that showed exactly what that investigation uncovered. A case out of this courthouse may explain Kyle Epps' exit from the Raleigh Police Department. A new motion includes results of RPD's internal investigation, though heavily redacted. The investigation found Epps performed unlawful searches of people and cars. For example, in November 2024, Epps allegedly removed all people from a car and searched for guns, despite having no legal basis for doing so.
It warrants further looking into individual cases and whether or not, in my client's particular situation, it was done properly.
Defense attorney Charlie Gray filed the motion for his client, who Epps charged with DWI, child abuse, and failing to stop at a red light. The motion points to Epps' history as a reason to dismiss his client's case.
Spoke with my client about it, and she and I agreed that after reviewing what was turned over to us through the judge's order, that it was relevant to her case and it would affect the outcome of her case.
The filing says Epps lacked reasonable suspicion to initiate a traffic stop and probable cause to arrest the defendant. Writing, Epps saw the defendant's car driving slow and swerving, which he presumptuously characterized as being operated in an impaired manner. RPD's investigation findings recommended termination of employment. And the Wake County District Attorney has already dismissed dozens of cases where Epps was the arresting officer. Carly Haynes, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.